Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Organize your workspace with smart storage that keeps every tool visible, accessible, and securely in place every day. The best garage pegboard organizer system turns cluttered walls into storage, saves space, improves workflow, and creates a clean, professional garage setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Wall 4-foot Garage Pegboard. The Wall 4-foot Garage Pegboard stands out as a premium solution for anyone serious about organizing tools in a garage or workshop. Built from heavy-duty metal, it is designed to be more than 10 times stronger than traditional pegboards, which immediately gives it an edge in durability and load capacity. Unlike standard fiberboard pegboards that can warp or wear out over time, this metal construction ensures long-lasting performance even under heavy tool storage. One of its biggest advantages is compatibility. It works seamlessly with both conventional 1/4-inch pegboard hooks and specialized slotted toolboard accessories, giving users flexibility in setup. Installation is also straightforward, as it mounts directly into studs or drywall without requiring additional framework, saving both time and effort. The powder-coated finish not only enhances its visual appeal, but also provides resistance against scratches, rust, and wear. This makes it suitable for both professional workshops and home garages where durability matters.
Number 2. Incli Workbench Garage Pegboard. The Incli Workbench Garage Pegboard is a comprehensive organization system designed for users who want both storage and versatility in one package. It comes with 4 metal pegboard panels and an impressive 156-piece accessory kit, offering a wide variety of hooks, bins, and holders. This makes it perfect for organizing tools of different shapes and sizes without needing additional purchases. The panels are made from thick, high-quality metal with a black galvanized finish, ensuring resistance to rust and corrosion while maintaining strength over time. The 1/4-inch hardened steel hooks are especially durable, featuring double stabilizing pegs that keep them secure and prevent slipping during use. Installation is relatively simple with the included hardware and guide, though it is recommended for solid walls like wood, brick, or concrete rather than drywall. This ensures maximum stability and weight support. One of the standout features is its flexibility. It can be used in garages, workshops, kitchens, or even warehouses, making it highly adaptable. The inclusion of bins and racks further enhances its functionality by allowing small items to be neatly stored.
Number 3. TORACK Steel Garage Pegboard. The TORACK Steel Garage Pegboard is an excellent choice for individuals looking to declutter their workspace and improve tool accessibility. Designed with durability in mind, the panels are constructed from high-quality steel and finished with a powder coating that resists scratches and corrosion. This ensures the pegboard remains in great condition even after prolonged use in demanding environments. One of its key advantages is its universal compatibility with standard 1/8-inch pegboard hooks and accessories, allowing users to reuse existing tools and setups without any issues. The package includes 3 panels along with 106 accessories, giving users plenty of options to customize their layout. This variety makes it easy to organize everything from small hand tools to larger equipment. Installation is straightforward, with screws and wall anchors included for convenience. The modular design allows users to arrange panels in a way that best suits their workspace. Beyond organization, it also saves time and reduces frustration by keeping tools visible and easy to access.
Number 4. TORACK Mount Garage Pegboard. The TORACK Mount Garage Pegboard offers a compact yet highly effective solution for organizing tools in smaller spaces. Like other TORACK products, it is built with high-quality steel and finished with a powder coating that enhances durability and resistance to wear. This ensures the pegboard can handle daily use without bending or deteriorating. It is designed to fit standard 1/8-inch pegboard hooks with 1-inch spacing, making it compatible with most existing accessories. The package includes 3 panels and 43 accessories, which, while fewer than some larger kits, are sufficient for basic organization needs. This makes it a great option for users who want a simpler, less cluttered setup. Installation is easy, with all necessary screws and anchors included, allowing for quick mounting on walls.
The modular design also allows flexibility in panel arrangement, so users can customize their layout based on available space. Its main strength lies in efficiency. It helps clean up workbenches, reduces clutter, and ensures tools are always within reach.
Number 5. WALMANN Modular Garage Pegboard. The WALMANN Modular Garage Pegboard is a versatile and heavy-duty storage solution designed for maximum efficiency and customization. Made from high-quality steel with a powder-coated finish, it offers excellent durability and resistance to scratches, rust, and wear. This ensures it remains reliable even in demanding workshop environments. The system includes 3 panels and a generous 110-piece accessory set, providing ample options for organizing tools of various sizes. Its compatibility with standard 1/8-inch pegboard hooks makes it easy to integrate with existing accessories, adding to its convenience. One of its standout features is the modular design, which allows users to position panels according to their workspace needs. This flexibility makes it suitable for garages, workshops, and even industrial settings. Installation is simple, with screws and anchors included, making it accessible even for beginners. The pegboard effectively maximizes space by keeping tools off workbenches and neatly arranged on the wall, improving both efficiency and productivity. Upgrade your garage with a system that keeps tools organized, easy to find, and ready for every project. A reliable pegboard setup saves time, reduces clutter, and improves efficiency. Choose wisely, install properly, and enjoy a cleaner, more functional workspace that works as hard as you do.